Right now, we as in my business partners and I, Gonzalo Paternostri is my mentor. He's also an outsourcing genius, and myself, we're finishing up the first round of other courses coming out. This one will be specific to Facebook ads. The entirety of the course is going to be called Social Ads Revolution, and it's going to incorporate all the different ad platforms that I buy traffic from in the social space. The first course we'll release is on Facebook, so it's going to be the Facebook edition of Social Ads Revolution. We're just now getting into the creation phase of the course side of the business. I used to do courses behind the scenes for people, so you'd never see my name on a course being done, but I was the one who did all the training. Yeah. And 3 years ago, my first course came out with Ben Adkins called Evil Video Magician. That was the course that I put together, and Ben was more like the face. 3 years later, now it's sort of like I'm getting back into that realm and going to be putting out lots of content over the next couple months into the next year around all these different social networks. So my primary business is the service side, and I do coach individuals and consult companies, but that's on a case-by-case basis because it really depends on time, and it also depends on, after you coach with me, you still have to have a budget to go and execute what I taught you. So it's a very limited seating, so to speak, as to who comes to me and can go through my training. But all facets of the business is coming together, at least with the product creation side, and I'll have something on that in the next couple of weeks.